Need to convert audio to a required sample rate? This workflow is useful when an editor, video project, or delivery spec requires a specific Hertz value. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open Audio Sample Rate Converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a source file. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. Choose 44.1 or 48 kHz according to the destination. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces a WAV at the selected sample rate. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. Resampling does not add detail above the source. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.